My name is Princess Ashley Falashade Falakemi Adegoke. I am a princess of the source of Odua. I'm from Ilefe, Osun State in Nigeria.
Queen Ashley Afola Surde, the fourth wife of the Ooni of Ife, Oba Adeyeye Ogunwusi, has shared a message on unity and togetherness on her birthday. In a lengthy Instagram post, she emphasized the need for personal reflection and kindness towards each other in a world filled with bad things. Queen Ashley expressed gratitude to her husband, daughter, family, and friends, noting that the more she feels grateful, the more joy and fulfillment she experiences. She also celebrated good health and God's grace while wishing for many more years of wealth, good health, and happiness. And from her foundation the message says, "We celebrate our amiable Queen, the founder of Ashley Adegoke Foundation and the beautiful Queen of the Source of Ile Ife today as she marks another year. Many happy returns Ma, you are indeed a blessing to our generation. We the team at Ashley Adegoke Foundation say hip 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 and hooray. God bless your new age and we can't wait to celebrate you at the festival coming up." The royal queen says, "God has been so faithful and kind to me. Today I celebrate life, I celebrate good health and God's continuous grace. With all the bad things that are in the world right now, I think we need a message of togetherness and true unity. I believe that starts with personal reflection and then we can find kindness towards each other. Your soul needs time for solitude and self-reflection. In order to love, lead, heal, and create, you must nourish yourself first. To my loving husband, my beautiful and supportive daughter, my amazing families and my friends here, I say thank you for your love. The more I feel grateful in my life, the more joy and fulfillment wrestles within me. Cheers to many more years in wealth, good health, and abundance of happiness." Ash April 19th.